Okay, now we've come across to the Baltimore Pikes side of the Granite Run Mall, where the effect here is just as nuts as what we found on the side of 352. Like I said, those two taped up entrances, those used to be where you could access the Moscovs from the lower and the upper levels. You've got the Sears here, and like I was saying in some of my earlier videos that I have filmed down here, those two stores were going to be the only two reminders of what used to be the Granite Run Mall. And that whole area right in there, that's where they're going to be filling it in with a bunch of new shops and, simply put, turning this whole area into an outdoor mall like what you find at Concordville, or if you've ever been up to the main street at Exton in Chester County. Good Lord. There are no words. There are no words, people. That I remember a lot of good stuff coming here to the Granite Run Mall growing up as a little boy. Whether it be shoe shopping at JCPenney, having dinner at Ruby Tuesdays, the Chick-fil-A, and the Costa Rider Express, and now it's no more, people. It's no more.